It's mid of March already. Do you remember your New Year goals or resolutions? Have you abandoned them yet? Do you remember what they are? Or, like me, was your goal to get fitter, but all you achieved was food delivery points? In the past few months, I have researched a lot about what makes goals stick, and I came across this fantastic goal setting method. Hello, I'm Pratima. On this channel, I bring you simple science packed ways to improve your life one video at a time. Subscribe to the video and let's dive in. The method that I'm talking about is SMART goal setting method, where SMART not only stands as an adjective but also as an acronym. Let's take two common goals and proceed from there. The first goal being, I want to get a better job, and the second goal being, I want to get fitter. Sounds good, right? No. These goals are vague, and that is what makes our goals not stick. Let's make these goals smart. Oh, also, I want you also to have a goal that is relevant for you in your mind so that we can draft it together as we go through this process. Also, stay till the end. I'm going to share with you a bonus trick that is going to make achieving goals 10x easier. First, S stands for specific. You have to specifically and clearly define what you want in your goal. Well, let's take the example of I want a better job. What do you mean by a better job? Is it a job which provides you work from home maybe 3 days a week? Is it a job in a better company, the next tier company than the company that you're working for? Is it the next level position? Is it salary hike? What is that you're looking for? You need to clearly define what a better job is for you. Similarly, when you say I want to get fit, what is getting fit for you? Is it doing 15 push-ups at a time? Or is it running a 5K marathon? Fit can differ from person to person, but you need to clearly specify what getting fit is for you. Second is M, where M stands for measurable. You need to be able to quantify or measure the goal that you are defining. For example, when you say I want to get fit, it can be like I want to lose 5 kgs of weight or 10 kgs of weight. Here we are defining a number which makes it quantifiable. Similarly, it can be someone saying I want to reduce my body fat percentage below 25%. That is also a quantifiable goal with a number attached to it. Similarly, when you say I want a better job, it can be quantified by saying I want a 20% salary hike, or I want to get a job which has 50,000 as salary. You should be able to properly measure your goal. Next, A stands for achievable. When I say achievable, I'm no way saying don't have big dreams. Have as big dreams as you can. You can have a super big dream, but create a small short-term goal. Your dream should not be extremely overwhelming, so overwhelming and intimidating that you don't start. So for example, if your salary currently is 30,000, you cannot say I want to get a salary of 5 lakhs next month. That will not be an achievable goal. You can definitely get those 5 lakhs, but it is going to take some time. So divide that into smaller chunks. Right now my salary is 30,000. My next goal is to get a salary of 50,000. The next goal after that will be to go to 1 lakh, finally achieving your dream of getting 5 lakhs per month. So if the video has been helpful till here, press on the like button so that the YouTube algorithm pushes this to more people who need to listen to this. Next, R stands for relevant. Relevant is something that makes sense for you. So maybe one day you saw an Instagram reel which speaks about the benefits of waking up early in the morning, and you decided your goal is to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. But what if you are a night owl? You have a lot of energy in the night. Having a goal of waking up 5 o'clock in the morning is not very relevant for you. Instead, your goal can be to have better nighttime routines so that you get better sleep. You're active whenever you wake up in the morning and you have a better start for a productive day. Similarly, maybe you get inspired by looking at somebody in the family and decide you want to read 10 books in this year, but you're not somebody who really enjoys reading books. So this goal is not very relevant for you. You can change that goal and say, I will listen to the audiobooks of these books whenever I'm traveling. You can still get the information of these books. You can still improve your knowledge, and you need not really read the books. So when I say relevant, make sure that your goal fits into your lifestyle and helps in your long-term success. And the last is T. T stands for time bound. The most simple but yet the most effective part of the SMART goal setting. Always have a time bound goal. Coming back to our example of getting a better job, in how many days do you want to get a better job? I want to get this better job in 6 months. I want to lose 5 kgs in 3 months. I want to run a marathon in the next 6 months. Have a defined deadline so that your brain understands by when you have to achieve this goal. Before we move on to the bonus trick, is your SMART goal ready? If so, write it down in the comments below so that we can inspire each other with our goals. So now you have your SMART goal. The what part of the goal, what is my goal, is done. You have a clear clarity about what your goal is. Now we have to write down an action plan. So action plan is dividing your goal into small subsets that you can achieve in next 1 week or 15 days that will help you be on track to achieve your actual goal. So let's break down the action plan for our first goal. Your first step might be improving your skill set. Then the next step might be drafting a compelling resume or a cover letter. Your third step can be updating your LinkedIn profile and stating that you are looking for a job. Your fourth step may be looking for a certification that is going to improve your credibility, so on and so forth. So a small trick that I use is I generally don't focus on more than 2 to 3 goals at a time. And when I break them down into action plans, I write them down on a sticky note or on a board that is always visible to my eyes so that it does not go out of my mind. Thank you for watching the video. Hope it was helpful. I'll meet you again next Thursday with a new video.